Good afternoon again. Okay. First of all, what I would like to share with you, since morning you are hearing a lot of things on the marketing, customer, sales, branding, advertising. Believe me, my presentation is not the marketing presentation at all. What I am going to share with you. So be relaxed, because you already have an information overload since morning on the marketing, right? So what happens, what is my presentation all about? When the organizer asked me that you have to share something, I was really thinking, and I was anticipating from my last 20 years of conferences experience around the globe, I was anticipating that, of course, a lot of marketing gurus will be there. They were sharing a lot of marketing theories, concepts, and information, and all these kind of things, models. I thought what I should share. So I realized I should really share with you from a totally different angle. How many of you in your own organizations belongs to or have a relationship, belongs to marketing department, or sales department, or advertising department? How many of you? All right. How many of your organization have a really marketing, sales, advertising, these kind of departments in your organization? Most of them? Have you ever heard that the senior management sometimes said that marketing is perhaps not doing the things as they should do? Most of the time, they are not doing something sufficient. They are not bringing a sufficient business. Marketing and sales have no coordination among them. Okay? And sometimes you might hear this one also. We have a marketing department, huge budget is allocated, but marketing outsource everything to the outside companies, outside agencies. We hear these kind of things. That triggered the research, that triggered one research which we conducted. So I am going to share with you what your top management and senior management of the organization really think about the marketing. So I am not going to share with you the concepts. I am going to share with you totally another angle. See what if you are in marketing function, sales, advertising function, you need to understand what the top management are thinking, what they are really want from you. So that is my things I am going to share with you. So simple introduction methodology is a pure research I am going to share with you. It actually happened in the UAE. Okay. Results, conclusions, and recommendations. Okay. I am not going to share with you any example, though I can do, from any part of the world. I am going to share with you something what happened in UAE. So we were interacting from last many years with the different organizations for consulting, training, auditing, and many other projects. And many top management share us a lot of feelings on the marketing, sales, businesses, profits, and all these kind of things. So we realized that there is a lot of issue actually happening. Let's have a research. So what we did that? We thought, let's have a small questionnaire. So we did this research in 2014 and 15, and we selected 100 respondents, and they all were the senior management, CEOs, MDs, GMs, etc. of the organization across the UAE. And the response rate, we got a 62%. And finally, we have sent the questionnaire, we have some sessions with them to how to fill that. So I just want to share the graphs now all together. So first of all, the 7 questions were put together for them. Only 7, because knowing this, they are the top layer, they will not be having a much time. Okay. I am not going to read these questions because the next slide will show each question and their result. Okay. So what was the first question? Let me share with you the results quickly. The first question was that, in view of the importance, what will you rate marketing function as compared to other functions within your own organization? So what happens based on the importance, 60% of the top management said that we have the highest among all functions. They said that. But however, the 30% said that we keep this one after finance and sales at a 3rd place. And 10% said that it depends upon the situation. If they are bringing a good business, they are at the top. If no, then perhaps somewhere else. So this we observed. Then it triggered the second question. We asked them. And the second question was that, what is your highest expectation from the marketing functions? And interestingly, as we discussed earlier also, 70% said bring the business. I will share with you what is the meaning of business for them. So 70% said bring the business, and 25% said that enhance the image and reputation of the organization. And 5% said that it completes the organizational structure.